Hi everybody, welcome to 2059 Woodley Road. I am so excited to show you this precious house that's over 3,000 square feet. Come on in. As you walk into this house, we've got a great, fantastic, precious foyer. And then you've got an office over here to the right or a flex room, but come on in, I want you to see the really good parts. So as you walk in here, you've got a great sitting room with a fireplace that's just spectacular. I mean, it just really, it's got all the feels, guys. Plantation shutters throughout, tons of room to entertain. It is just spectacular. And over here, you've got your formal dining room. This, you can fit a table that seats 8, 10. You can do all kinds of things with it. But it's got all of the great molding all over the place, unique colors, and if you come on in, you can see where you can do all the cooking. So as you come into the kitchen, plenty of room, nice workspace, tons of counter space, gas stove, stainless steel appliances, and you've got plenty of room for an eating area, and you've got some oversized cabinet space in here as well. But one of the most exciting parts, I'm going to take you back through this area. One of the most exciting parts here is the great room. I absolutely love the great room. I would love to entertain here, guys. You've got a little bar area and you've got room to fit a lot of people. So if you've got a large family, this is a fantastic home for you. Hey guys, this is one of the bedrooms. It is completely oversized. As you can see in here, we can fit a king-size bed. It's got a beautiful wood-burning brick fireplace, which I really like. And then as you come through here, you've got a shared bathroom. It's kind of retro, kind of like the 50s, even though this house was built in 1927. Check it out. Check out these precious floors. Great little pedestal sink. And then you've got a really cool full-size shower over here. And then as we go through, you've got another just precious bedroom with lots of character, tons of space. So in here, I call this the blue room, and it is so cute. And I just absolutely love all of the windows, the natural light, all of the plantation shutters. You do not want to miss seeing this. Hi guys, welcome to the loft area. This area is phenomenal. It's being used right now as a master suite, as it does have a large size garden tub. It's got a shower, it's got 2 full closets. Many things that you can do with this upstairs area should you want to use it as a bedroom, or you'd prefer to use it as an office space, a kid's room, a playroom. And then they've got great double doors right here that lead out to a small balcony, and it overlooks your large backyard. Now I want to show you this awesome backyard. Hey guys, come on in and come see this massive backyard that I really love. So as you come back here, I mean, one of the cool things is that I think that you can fit a whole football team, a whole volleyball team. You can do so many fun things in this backyard. So if you like to entertain and you have a large family, oh my goodness, with all of these trees, it's a gem. But what I really like is that there's a great little house in the back. It does need a little bit of TLC, but it's got room for you to have a great room, you know, with a kitchenette, a bedroom, and a full-size bathroom. So whether you want to use that as a place to put maybe your in-laws, maybe a teenager, maybe you want to just go out and have that place to work on your woodworking or whatever, fantastic place that you don't want to miss seeing. Now, another thing that I really enjoy about this house is I love this area. I love the fact that you can come over here, sit down, have a glass of wine, and enjoy and visit with friends. This house was built in 1927. It is probably one of the best deals on the market. We have an appraisal for over $325, and right now we are selling it for $279.9. You do not want to miss almost 3,000 square feet of space. And if you love that historical feel, this is just one of the most precious houses that you'll ever find. So if you need more information or you're interested in information on it, just give me a call or call your favorite realtor.